Hey guys,
Hey,
and welcome to my YouTube channel.
it's our channel, Tracy. You do this every time. Every Monday I tune in and you're just like, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's our channel.
Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel.
So what I usually do after that, I like to keep like a repetitions. I'll be like, welcome to our YouTube channel, Jodi and Tricky. I'm half of the duo. I'm Jodi.
And I'm Tricky.
Welcome.
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 So I was thinking that we could talk about different lipstick colors because I feel that when you're going into fall you want to do warmer tone lipstick colors, and then now it's summer you want to do like lighter tone, more nudie lipstick.
So it's kind of like your lipstick tones then could also represent like hair colors for the seasons, because for summer, like I just went lighter. For winter time you kind of go like a more browny tone. Yeah,
like fall is definitely go warmer, like already.
Yeah.
Winter I find you go even darker than that, and then I find you lighten it up for the summer.
Yeah.
But okay, so you got me this nude lipstick the other day, right? And it's nice, but then I feel like I need to line it with a darker thing so that
it's like an ombre lip. So that's what I've done. Darker on the outside and then lighter on the inside.
Right.
The girls like it. It's like an ombre.
Yeah.
So you do ombre eyebrows, ombre lips.
Okay. How do you think that men feel about all of these
Things?
Yeah, all of a sudden girls do these like, oh, this is a trend now. Like sometimes I feel sorry for Scott. Like what if he doesn't like blue eyeshadow and it turns into like the trend? But you can't do it.
He just has to be like, well, I hope this trend goes by soon.
Like he told me one time, he's like, I hate big sleeves. Like I hate big sleeves on clothes.
Really?
Yeah. So now when I'm looking for clothes, I have to be like, okay, no, like
bell
sleeves and stuff, or like anything that's puffy. He's like, I hate it.
Yo, Sean, don't complain. Look how many years I went with no eyebrows. And he didn't complain. He wasn't like, hey, you want to try like a fluffier brow, or Joe, I saw this thing today. You look good with it. It's called eyebrows. He never complained. He just saw me with my thin out at some point, like brown.
I used to dye them blonde on top of it. It was like, can I have the Dundas look, please?
It's because my hair was brown, so I had to make the eyebrows match too.
Oh God.
Alright guys, we're about to go live up on my IG, which is just above you.
But yeah, I do feel sorry for the guys.
I feel sorry for the guys. Alright, this is gonna take a little while. Cause what you call it? Digicel always a flop me.
And I guess guys' fashion don't really change. No, that's not true. They did the skinny pants. Oh my God, that was some guys with their skinny jeans are just, they need to lose the belly. It's like a lollipop look. I like it flattens out their bottom too, I don't know. I like a guy with a little bottom.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, Joe says we're extra early.
Hi
Joe. Hi Slim Slimmers. Hi guys, welcome. We are extra early today because I was trying to, it's 1:30. What y'all talk about? Lady Bee Mixology is here. Hi guys, welcome. Wave, hey, hi. Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you in here for a full hour of fun, frolic, and foolishness.
Yes, this is
welcome.
True. This is true.
And welcome to everybody on YouTube.
Did you guys go and watch my cooking show yesterday, Stuffed Bell Peppers? Can you please go and watch it?
It was good.
Can you like it as well? And
can you
please actually try my Stuffed Bell Peppers and take a picture of it, post it on Instagram and tag me?
It was good. Somebody tried it today. They messaged on the YouTube and they were like, just tried this today. It was good.
It's so good.
It's really good. And I feel like the bell pepper adds like a different dimension,
Yeah, and I like the sriracha and yogurt sauce that I serve it on top of. Just because I like sauces, But so next week premiering is my vegan lasagna, right? So I made it and I had some in the fridge. So I said to Miss Rose, you want to try some lasagna? So she's like, lasagna? So she's like, lasagna? What is that? So I was like, well, it's an Italian dish. Me only eat Jamaican food, but now I try no lasagna. So I was like, Miss Rose, just try it. And I was like, I made it vegan, so it's all vegetables. Miss Tracy, you always want me to try some things and I'm not in that. Let me see it. So like I had saved a piece for her, so I opened the foil to show her, you know? Me not eat that.
Ooh, lasagna. Woo, woo, woo. Today, Bee Mixology has me drinking a pineapple basil kiwi. This is with white rum, my good friend. I missed you, white rum. Boy, you must be missing white rum too, eh?
White rum was my friend first.
White rum was your friend first, and then you were like, Joe, you need to stop drinking. I used to drink vodka. And then you're like, come and drink some white rum.
Oi, that is nice. Oh, that's good.
The kiwi. Oh, the flavors in that. I feel like that was made and like sitting down, marinating. Like all the flavors are blended so well together. Oh, Lady B, big up yourself. Yes, somebody noticed. I'm in my Graci Noir. Big up to Spice, my good friend. She called me on Mother's Day to say, you know, big up to me. Yeah, I'm a friend. This is one of the suits she sent me. Ha!
You lucky?
I know, she sent me 2 suits. I love her. I love Spice. Ha! That baby going, go love rum like her auntie. Just like her auntie. Alright guys, so welcome. We want to welcome all of you guys. We just want to show our tell you our appreciation. Right now we have 414 people watching, and I remember when we started this live almost a year ago. We came on and we were like at 120 people, and you know, we're like, no, let's just keep going. This is really cool. We have, you know, a platform to talk about our Jamaican products and really showcase them in a very special way. And today, we're now at 400 and somebody left. 443. So we just want to say thank you to everybody who tunes in, who watches, who comments, and you know, just thank you so much for those who encourage. We appreciate that. Those in the DMs who have the positive words, I really appreciate that. And also everybody over on YouTube watching, thank you so much for just being so loyal, and you know, we really appreciate it. Wrap it up. We really appreciate all of you. Okay.
Jamaican Beauty said they remember the first show. Aww.
What were we talking about the first show?
I have no idea.
You were full of foolishness, you know?
Listen.
How we always have so much foolishness to talk about?
Always. But
and then after the show, we're still talking to each other.
It amazes me. Like, Scott and I talk a lot, but I always think we never talk as much as you and I do.
Yeah?
Like, we always are talking.
Yeah, we're always have a lot to talk about. We're funny though. We're great.
We're talkers.
We are just, whew, I can't get enough of me.
Tiffany says, save our drink, please.
Oh, Tiffany.
Anyway.
First time joining, welcome!
Ah, Dion. Welcome to the show. So anyway, I was stepping out of the car today to come to Jodi's house, right? I felt my leg hairs blowing in the wind, and I was like, oh, okay, it's time for me to go and wax, right? So I usually wax about every 4 weeks, but I've really elongated this time because I want to wax close to the day that I'm giving birth so that I'm clean for that day. So it's kind of like, you know, one of those like weird, you have to stretch it out kind of things. So anyway, felt my leg hairs blowing in the wind, and I was like, yo, what do you guys prefer? Do you prefer to wax or shave?
I can't wait for, like, I like to wax. I feel so much smoother, but I can't wait. So I end up shaving. But let me just say something. It doesn't matter what you have going on down there. Whatever shame tree you did have, it goes out the door once you
No.
It's
It's not even for the doctor, you know. It's for like afterwards as well. Like, I don't want to be... Like, I want to feel like, okay, the doctor has dealt with a lot more than I am presenting. I am pretty sure of that.
Right.
Like, but afterwards, when you, like, I don't know what's going to happen. Am I going to have an episiotomy? Like, I want to be clean down there so that I can keep clean for longer.
Right.
Yeah, so I want to wax it up.
So, but I like to wax.
Goddess Shima has never waxed before.
Ooh, do a Brazilian. I love when they wax my butthole. It's so nice.
I like the warm wax.
The warm wax on your butt, that's nice.
Yeah,
I love that.
Good.
It feels really good.
It does feel good.
Like, and then you kind of wonder, you know, and then you get that. The warm wax. It's kind of like those hot candles. You ever had a hot candle wax?
No. You are going really far with this combo, though.
You don't... Alright, cool, no problem.
I feel like you're in the movie 365 right now.
It's not 365. It's the other one, the Grey's Anatomy one. What's the...
Oh,
with the guy.
Oh yeah.
Get some warm wax on your booty,
50
man.
Shades of Grey. So somebody says that Jamaican beauties just wax their nose hairs. Jodi loves that too. I found it weird. Like I felt I was breathing in too much.
No man. Okay, so that leads to my next question, right? I find that when I wax, like I do my Brazilian, I find like I feel a little bit more naked down there. Like it's more sweaty. Like it's just more prone to things. Like I don't know. I don't like a freshly waxed choo-choo. I'd rather wait a little while.
Miss Beck says sugaring is a new wax thing. You know what, Miss Bex? I did sugaring for a couple of months. I love it, but it takes really long. Like I can wax my whole body in about 45 minutes, and the sugaring would take me 2 hours.
Really? Or because I have to keep rubbing it to make it warm?
I can't deal with it. It's too much.
Okay.
Change your password, Jodi. Look into that.
Look into my password change? No problem. So if anybody sees any weird tweets, it's not me. My password needs to be changed.
Oh my gosh. Well, yesterday, Scott's auntie got hijacked by the Nigerians, and then they sent emails to everyone saying that she needed money. So I got calls being like, "Hi Tracy, do you know so and so? I think it might be one of your in-laws. She's asking me for money." And I was like, "Oh my god!" I was like, she got hacked. Poor woman.
Oh, it's changed my password. This phone doesn't leave the house. Guys, stop freaking me out, man. The one little password on the thing their phone. This is like the extra phone. It's fine. It's fine.
Oh, that phone don't leave the house.
This phone don't leave the house.
It doesn't have anything on it.
Yeah, there's nothing on. Guys, stop stressing me out. I'm like, change my password.
I know. I thought the Nigerians got
me. The Nigerians got me.
No, but then Scott was like, yesterday with his auntie, he was like, imagine if the Nigerians wrote his auntie and was like, "You have no friends. Nobody send us money. Nobody want to save you or help you."
Yo, that's where the scammers them when I went to Africa with John. My sister, come with me. I have something special for you. I knew that you were coming to our country. Welcome to the motherland. I have something for you. I saved this for you. From the moment you were born, I knew that this was just for you. Come, my sister. And I'm just like, oh, the motherland. Okay, yes, I need this. This is from the elephant. This elephant was born for you. This is going to cost you 400 pounds. But sister. Okay, give me your email. And I'm like, what?
Give me your bank account number.
I was like, I don't really want the whole elephant. No, my friend. We made this for you. It is from the motherland. Okay, listen. Give me your email. Everybody want my email. I'm like, we are gonna email me. Invitation. We are email me. Sure.
Okay, guys. I can no longer sit here and pretend like
Okay, let's not pretend.
Not sitting in my face.
Okay.
So we have some very delicious items here for you today. It's from a place called Sal's Sweets. So Sal's Sweet is located in Ochi, but they do deliveries to Kingston. You can do pickup available at Manor Park, or for a nominal fee, she will deliver it directly to your house.
What's a nominal?
Very small.
Oh.
Yeah.
A minimal.
Nominal.
Minimal.
You can use minimal as well. There's more words for it's in the English.
Little bit?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
So today the stuff is packaged
so nicely. Yo, when they came yesterday, I was like, I am gonna have to open these. These almost did not make it on the show.
Like, this looks like a Tiffany's box type thing.
Yes. I was like, you know what? Don't open it.
No, so she called me this morning to be like, "Hey Tracy, is everything all right with the sweets?" And I was like, honestly, Sal, I don't know. You left them over at Jodi's house, and Sean had a fit last night because he wanted to eat.
Oh my
goodness!
Okay,
open this.
Thank goodness I didn't open this yesterday, because I would have surely been like in it. Okay, so in our box, it's separated into 4 sections.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so excited.
Okay, packaging is... By the way, did you just scream and then lock your own ear? Okay, let's see what we have. Oh my gosh. We have... vegan Russian tea cakes.
Let's prop those open.
Okay, so we have vegan Russian tea cakes and regular Russian tea cakes.
So the vegan Russian tea cakes, they do contain pecans, and they're $3,000 per dozen. They can stay for 6 to 7 days.
Oh, let's look. Packaging, label.
Yeah, she's located in Ochi, but she will deliver to Kingston. So Ochi, you get a bus now. Ochi.
I just find Ochi was always popping off. Alright, wait, no, hold on. Let's share half because we're gonna go through all of these. Take a bite.
Okay.
Take a bite. What is a Russian tea cake?
Delicious.
I like that she offers the vegan option. So the vegan one has no milk or animal products. Regular Russian tea cake. That's nice.
These are very good.
Let's taste the difference.
No, they're all vegan Russian tea cakes.
No, they're not. This is regular Russian. That's vegan Russian.
Well, let's see what we can do because maybe she gave us so much. Maybe we can do some giveaways.
Vegan? Oh yes, I don't open everything.
Yeah, well, she gave us 2 of these, so we only opened 1.
Oh wow. Oh wait. Okay, so we have vegan Earl Grey lavender. Open this.
And these are 3,300 per dozen.
And these are regular Earl Grey.
Let me see.
So this is giving vegan people options for their sweet needs. A chia shortbread. Pumpkin spice oh my gosh.
Wow. I only have 2 more boxes to go through too.
This is, okay.
Oh my god.
What's that one?
These are vegan Earl Grey. But do you smell that?
That's so fragrant.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is like, this would be perfect for like a tea time.
Oh my goodness. Mommy would love this.
She's coming here today now.
The lime. Mommy would love that. These taste like tea. They literally taste
Wow.
like Earl Grey and lavender tea.
That's so crazy.
I've never had anything that tastes this like
so tea.
yeah, but like it tastes how it smells.
Yeah. It's very tea.
But these are so delicate too. Like I just want it to be like Mommy would love this.
Let's save one for okay. This is the pumpkin chocolate chip. SalSweets is the name.
These are Sal's Sweets.
So
Sal's Sweets.
the @ is @SalSweetsJa. We're gonna drop everything in the description under the video, also under the YouTube video. You can check the description. Mommy just saved mine, please. Mommy, we're waiting on you. SalSweets.
These are good.
Yeah. So it's like what, a pumpkin puree. This is nice. Her it tastes what it's supposed to taste like, and then it smells so good.
It's crazy. I've never had anything that's like that before.
Remy's gonna love this. It's okay. This is a chia shortbread.
And then these are Earl Grey and lavender cupcakes. These have to stay in the fridge.
Wait, oh, it's a good thing I never opened up this last night, you know, like yam out everything.
I said to her this morning, I was like, I don't let anything in left. Oh no.
We'll have to give Remy the, oh, it touched the top? That's okay. I think when I walked upstairs.
These are the Earl Grey and lavender cupcakes.
Hi, Beauty Basement. Oh my gosh.
I'm just going to take some of the icing off of this, so. I cannot believe
I don't understand. Like she must use like an essence or something in them.
No, she must, because these are so. They taste and smell so good. Like I want to rub it on my body.
Yeah.
What is that one?
It's kind of crazy. This is a chia shortbread.
And that breaks away just like a shortbread should.
Alright, let me try pin them. Hold on. I have to. Hold on.
Yeah, please pin them.
Okay, I know. I'm going to try, but I have to move.
You know, I love when we get things.
No essence. Let me pin it.
No essence. Oh,
I'm going to pin a comment.
I've been looking forward to trying
No
these.
essence, just
These
magic.
are the tahini date bliss balls. Yeah, I'm really excited about these. You know, and so the tahini date bliss balls are $2,850 per dozen. They contain flaxseed, chia seeds, oats, dates, tahini. Actually, These sound like they'd be very good for lactation because you know for lactation you have to do a lot of oats. I don't know.
She says it makes sense, all grounded tea. But you know, chai, not chia. Chai. Sorry, me can't spell.
Me can't read. Okay. Jodi says, Una really not help with the diet.
Who's on a diet?
I don't know.
Not diet time.
Okay.
It's not that time.
I know you like these ones.
These taste like...
I know you like them.
Yeah. These are like gummy goodness drops.
Yeah.
What's in this?
Flax seeds, chia seeds, oats, dates, tahini. I'm sure these would be good for lactation.
I feel like if I take 3 of these, it'd be like a good snack. They're filling.
And there's no added sugar. Right, Sal? Sal is here, by the way, guys.
These are really good, and her presentation is so nice.
So cute.
Like very cute.
Like first world.
When it comes to food, Jamaica is first world. Bar none. We are in positive one land.
I would say taste-wise, we definitely are.
Said no sugar.
Yeah.
What kind of voodoo is this? How did she do that?
I don't know. But I'm not stopping her.
No, me neither.
Go, Sal. These are great.
Baby mother glue. Yeah.
So,
dates are good for the last lap of your pregnancy. Eat them up, Tracy.
yeah, I said that. Yeah, these are great. So this is great. So she does delivery to Kingston.
Really good.
And, you know, the way that they're packaged, you could just deliver them. You could just order and have Sal deliver them as they are, as presents, little presents for birthday, anniversary, or whatever. I mean, the packaging was
Really good.
so good.
Oh, her logo is cute too. It's a bitten cookie.
Yeah, let me just show you what she sent us here. A bitten cookie for SalSweet. So her Facebook is SalSweetsJa. Instagram is at SalSweets. She will be doing pickup in Kingston May 28th to May 31st.
What do you mean pick up?
Like, cause she's in OG, so you order the
delivery.
stuff. Yeah. DM to order.
Those little balls are good. I like balls. Don't neglect the balls. Give me another one. No, wait. I want to try something else. This is really good.
Yeah.
I'm thoroughly impressed.
I'm happy. I'm happy.
What was the first thing we had? Hold on. So we have the
With tea cakes.
the chai shortbread. Wait, what was the Russian tea cakes? Hold on. The pumpkin. Oh, it was Earl Grey. Was it the Earl Grey?
Drew is asking you to save him some. Trust me, Drew.
Drew, and I have you pick a pepper too. Drew, you need to come now.
I gave Drew pick up pepper last time he was here.
Yes, but he forgot to take it, and then I put it back in the box. And then when I saw him, I forgot to give it to him again.
Jodi, is that really true?
What?
I don't know. Anyway.
Wait.
Sorry.
You good?
No. I really like this. I really like these things.
The balls.
Yeah, the balls. I really like the balls. Anyway. So, what was the next thing I was gonna
These are so good.
You have not stopped saying
Alright, say something else. Rasclate.
Rasclate, these taste delicious.
Rasclate, these taste delicious. So I went out the other day and I was trying to stay true to my, I'm trying to rebrand this, Jamaican urban bad word into something a little bit more prim and proper. So I went somewhere, I think it was Fontana, and I dropped something. So I was like, oh, this is time for me to practice. Rasclate!
Yo.
There was a lady in the island, she just looked at me.
Fontana's like the Jamaican Target. Like,
It's a little more pricey.
oh my gosh, it's really expensive.
Perfect wash down.
So, I want to know, going on the road, we're going to Fontana, you're heading out to the supermarket or whatever. Do you guys wear makeup or no makeup when you're heading on the road? Do you guys wear makeup to work? Like, we're heading on the road, we've woken up in the day, makeup or no makeup?
I don't know. I usually go on the road after the gym, so no makeup because I don't wear gym to the makeup. But I want another one of those little balls. These are so good.
Raquel says she wears a little foundation.
Yeah, I want to do that. Like,
Ali says no makeup. No makeup. A lot of women are saying no makeup, but then like at work, do you feel like you have to have on makeup because you're presenting yourself to so many people, but then it's so hot. It's so hot.
I find that maybe if I worked in the States, I'd wear a little bit more makeup. But if here, my domestic engineering job does not require me to wear makeup.
Island Babe says no makeup cause mask. But Drew, Designs by Drew says sunscreen.
Amen.
You have to wear the sunscreen.
Talk up, Drew. Talk up.
Yeah, you know, like these BB creams and stuff like that. Like, I find I sweat them out, so I can't wear them anyway. You know what I mean? But
this is a good day. Mommy, hurry up and get here, because I'm going to work my way through this box.
The Earl Grey cookies are going to be Mo's favorite. I've called that one.
Remy is going to love. Where's the chai? I kept saying chia, but it's chai.
So what age do you think is appropriate for your kids to move out of your house? Like, don't you guys find that Jamaican children don't move out of the house? I mean, till like they're like all 30. Like some friends are living with their parents still and they're like all in their 30s and I'm like, yo, what the hell? But in America...
So what? I was comfortable. My bills were getting paid. I'm not going to move out of somewhere where my bills are getting paid and I'm comfortable to go pay my own bills. It's called saving.
I couldn't do that. I had to move out.
I was comfortable. That's why I used your room as like my extended closet.
And I find in Jamaica, like, people don't move out till late. Like in America, they're like 18, 20. They're like, bye mom, bye dad. And then in Jamaica, they're like 40, like, yo, still here. It's like, what the hell? Like, get out. Makes me scared to have children. Too late. I know, right? Somebody says Trinidadians do that too. Tuki says when the time is right. Tuki's on your level. She's like, when the time is right.
I don't know. I just feel like I could have even stayed longer. Kashan took so long to propose. I should have saved my parents like another 5 more years.
What the hell? Dude, no. I was like 19, 20 and I was like, get me out of here.
And at that time, you know, like the pool and, you know, hanging out by the pool with friends.
Chocolate chip 428 is very true. It is very expensive in Jamaica to move out.
Yeah, somebody just said money run different in the US. Because even if you go in the US and you get like a little job in the mall or something like that, you're still making more at like working at a Wendy's than if you were out here working at a Wendy's.
What's that person's name? Almost love me. You must love me. Says that they still live with their parents. But don't you find that, I agree with what Jodi says a while ago, that you can get a little job in the States and move out, as opposed to out here where, dude, it's expensive.
Today, Gabby, I am drinking pineapple basil kiwi and my liquor is white rum. Look at all those kiwi bits. Oh, I'm going to trick everybody. All right, so I'm in my tracksuit. I'm like, hey guys, drinking something healthy here.
Green juice today. Patty's proud.
You know, drinking some green juice is going to help my wellness. Ha! This helps my happiness.
Oh, guys, I want to let you know we have not forgotten about the sending off the pick up pepper sauces. But we are waiting for
more toilet rolls.
Because there's no bubble wrap in Jamaica right now.
So all the winners, I have the names right here with your addresses. I have not forgotten you. I don't want that when you get your package, one of the buckles then bursts or whatever. And clearly we are not shitting fast enough in this house. So we will get you your bubble wrap. Because I'm thinking I can put the pick up pepper in here and just kind of like, you know. So don't worry. I'm going to work on shitting way faster so I can get more toilet rolls.
I bought some Metamucil yesterday.
Girl, get me them rolls. I need 9 rolls. Yeah, 9 rolls.
Who is that? Money J.A. Money. says it's mad expensive up here. Kaza23 says her daughter moved at 27, saved all of her earnings so she could do something great.
Look at this box. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many boxes can one cookie hold?
Did you want to try one of the cupcakes?
Yes! I never even saw that happening. What the heck?
Well, that one is smushed down.
It's okay. Icing first. Icing first. Oh, you already took off the wrapper. What kind of cupcake is it?
Earl Grey lavender cupcake. I don't know, to be honest with you, like, I think it's so weird when you're dating a guy and he's older and he lives with his parents. Like, what do you do when you go there? Oh, hi, Mr. So-and-so. Hi, Mr. So-and-so.
Yeah.
Like, it's just so awkward.
Let's hope his room is round back of the house. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, girl. You never take it through the grill yet. You know when Daddy locked the grill?
Jodi.
You clearly never watched Sprinter either. That is like a real Jamaican. That is a Jamaican.
I feel like you and I just had two totally different
We had the same grill.
Yes, I was a virgin till I was like 21 though, okay?
Well, I made up for you. Just joking. Well, me and my husband have been going out for 20 years now. So he's a grill professional. Oh, sorry. He's actually a welder.
And then with SalSweets, if you buy more than $6,000 worth of stuff, which trust me, you're gonna end up she will give you some shirts.
And look at the little wrapping too.
With a thank you. It's so sweet. Like, Sal, this is such love. This is such love. And I really appreciate it because, guys, I'm not a rapper, but I love nice wrapping.
Okay, so Tracy will give you something and it's like Sal.
Oh, just roll with it. Oh, these are nice.
I knew our page would be nice.
Who, SalSweets?
Yes. Yeah. But I didn't want to say it because, you know, sometimes they're like, I bet your page is nice. I go to the page and I'm like, oh, it's got a little scattered. But yes.
And this one says, bake the world a better place. Very cute.
Aww.
Yeah. Very
Look
sweet.
at that.
Yeah, her page and stuff.
Her page is nice. And that's one thing I find too. Oh, look, she does little Prosecco's. Mother's Day treat box. Get them while they last. Sal and Gabby. Oh, who's Gabby? Let's check it out. What? GB Bites. Wait, things are going for them, man. Them have all a photographer. These are... Guys, you need to check out this page. Like, honestly, if you are a business, right? Wait, let's go to SalSweets page.
This is what people call all the time. They want to get featured on the show, right? And I'm like, okay, but you have to pass a certain criteria to be featured on the show. And one of the criteria is your Instagram page. Like, I've spoken to so many people, and people have not gotten featured mainly because their Instagram page sucks. And I'm like, you guys have to understand that this is a reflection of Jodi and I. And
What's
number two,
this?
I can't matcha.
No.
Matcha cake.
This
Barafi.
It's
Indian dessert.
With the pistachio, I think.
And you guys also have to understand that I can't have things on the show that I actually don't like. So I can't feature food on the show that I don't want to eat.
And then you know what? Big up to yourself, SalSweets, because it's very difficult to take pictures of food and make your page look good when you're selling food. Because sometimes, you know what I mean?
Food is hard.
Food is hard. That's why they have food stylists. But the Instagram page is SalSweetsJa. You can check them out.
SALS.
She does also little drop cookies there.
WEETS.
You see, like, look how this very simple picture, but you can see the definition in the balls. You can see the little what's those seeds on it and
Sesame
stuff.
seeds.
But it's like, some people would take a picture of this and it not, you know, you have the dimension with the foreground. This is really, this is nice.
Yeah. And I will tell you, food is hard to take pictures of. So from my cooking show and stuff like that, food is hard.
That's why all the pictures have Scott in them eating.
He's so wonga. He really loves my food though.
Alright, so Sal Sweets, big up yourself. Okay, pH look good. The cookie them taste good.
Yeah.
Nana is coming over here. Where's Remy? Remy should be downstairs by now, you know. Hey.
She's probably sleeping.
No, I don't hear anything happening over there.
So I saw this question posted on one of our websites this week, and it
How
was
many websites we have, girl?
like Sleek or Scan, like those type of things, and it said, why don't young people go to church anymore? Like, why aren't young people present in church anymore? And I thought it was such a great question because, you know, it's something that Jamaicans, old-time Jamaicans really love. Like, you know, in Jamaica, we have the most churches and bars per capita. That was like, I think we were in the Guinness Book of World Record for it. And somebody says, tricky, what if the food good, but they're not really on Instagram, like they don't have tons to post and such? Well, sorry, okay, let's get back to this. She's Queen Honey Skin. Then you need to up your Instagram page. Like, we have to realize that nowadays
That's
we
where
are
you
social,
advertise.
yeah, and we are social media people. So it's not like back in the days where you can be like, oh, I don't really have a lot of pictures and people are going to come and support you.
Yeah.
Like, you have to reach out there for a market. So
And then remember, to, you know, people eat with their eyes first.
so no, but it's not even that. Like, they're saying, what if I don't have an Instagram
You need
page?
one.
You need one to be on my show, to be on Tuesdays with Tricky, our show. Okay, fine, it's ours. You need to have an Instagram page because that's how we relate people to come to you to say, hey, this is what is offering. And so now I'm telling people that you don't know, but that trust me. And they're going to come to your page for one picture to see what are you offering, and then they're going to call me and ask me, well, what else does this person offer? Like, I don't know. So that is why you need to have all of your marketing and media things up, so that when you come on Tuesdays with Tricky, people can see your product.
Yeah.
They can see Sal Sweets. Now they can go onto SalSweets on Instagram. They can see exactly what she's offering. They can see the price for everything. And then so nobody has to message me and ask me, because really and truly you're getting
Questions have been
featured on
answered.
my show. But people want questions to be answered. So that's another reason why we also have the Mecca Jamaica page, because people ask so many questions and they know that after they've been featured on Tuesdays with Tricky, now they can go to Mecca Jamaica to see what else has been featured on Tuesdays with Tricky that is there. We live in 2020, we live in 2021. So if you don't have your social media up, I don't know what to tell you. You're not living in this world.
So you asked a question about the church, and we're seeing a lot of comments with regards to that. And somebody was saying elders are judgmental, and I think so too.
I agree.
You know, and back in the day, it was very like, all right, it's time to go to church. Grandma's getting ready. Like, it was almost like we were forced to, or let me speak to myself. I was forced to go to church. So then I kind of was resenting, like, I'd rather do something else on my Sunday to know where I'm like, I don't like church, you know?
But I don't like how, you know, Jesus said, or God, or whatever. I'm not a, whatever. So, the all-in-one, omnipotent, said, come as you are to me. That was one of the things he said, come as you are. So, like,
He said that to you?
well, he said it, yeah, to me. But anyway, but then what I don't understand now is that all the elders are like, you can't wear jeans to shirt,
Can't wear
church.
pants.
You can't wear spaghetti straps. You can't wear
Cover
this,
your
it's like-
head.
It's
Cover
like,
your
okay, if I'm
shoulders.
not coming in a batty rider and a titty top, like, I don't feel like it shouldn't have to be forced to like have a whole entire church wardrobe. It should be able to be you wearing something respectful and go. But now I'm getting judged by people because of what I'm wearing to church. Like, it should definitely be respectful. I'm not saying going your titty top and batty riders. You should not be going to Fontana like that, you know? So, but yeah, I agree. And then, you know, like, we have so many questions nowadays because the world is so open in terms of just like gender, sex, problems, issues.
The Bible stories are there, they're set, but yet we have evolved, you know what I mean? Like,
And
the Bible is pen and paper, is stone and stone, and yet we're on an iPad. So I maybe think that our issues don't maybe relate to the Bible. However, let me back up the church people here right now. The stories in the Bible are to be used as an example, and then we can take those stories and kind of use them as an example to what is happening in modern day life.
And I think that the teachers at churches and stuff need to understand that these are going to be questions that we have. be prepared. If you're a teacher, you need to understand that what the revolutionary questions are going to be and have answers for them. Like, you know, a lot, my big question, I remember when I was getting married to Scott and we had to go to the deacon to do our, what you call it?
Marital counseling.
Marital counseling. And I had a lot of questions because he was like, oh, why don't you come to church? And I was like, you know, I don't really feel like I need to be in church to be a believer or to worship. Like, I don't feel like that because I don't want to be constantly judged. And he was like, yo, I want to sit down and talk to you a little bit more about some things. And we ended up having like very long conversations. And I was like, you know, I don't understand a lot of Christians are like, oh, I don't drink, I'm Christian. Pretty sure Jesus turned water into wine and they continued dancing the whole party long. They were fanning themselves with the palm leaves. Like, so how come all of a sudden it's become like,
Mommy, are you there?
I'm a Christian, I don't drink. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like,
or like I had a friend who's Christian, she got married and she had a dry wedding. And I was like, you know, it's kind of, I think sometimes Christians can take it a little bit, you know, take the stories and then they evolve it the way they see fit. Something that I went to church this Sunday and I went on Sleek Jamaica's page. I'm bathing, so it's probably at about 9:30. They have Pastor Stephen Blake. He comes on and I really enjoyed the sermon this Sunday, and he's a young guy. I'm also friends with Pastor Ryan, and sometimes I'll ask Pastor questions, and poor Ryan have to deal with me at the gym, and that's when I'm at my most giving trouble stage. Ryan Mark, he's also an artist, and sometimes I'll ask him my questions, but I do like the younger pastors, you know, because I just feel like they kind of understand a little bit more about what's happening with young people to be able to answer us, you know.
But you know, I love this conversation and I love what's happening in the comments section right now. I just love that it is an open conversation for everybody to share their thoughts, because I feel like a lot of us in here are young people and a lot of us have the same thoughts and a lot of us are having the same frustrations. It's not like we don't want to be believers, or it's not like we don't want to praise God or be there, but we do have a lot of frustrations as to how we can do it and be okay in an environment that we feel accepted in and that we feel okay to ask questions in. So I'm loving what's happening in the comments right now.
Because I remember when I went to church one evening and I had on a little, it wasn't a spaghetti strap, but it was like a 2-inch strap, and the lady behind me, the comment that she made, she just touched my shoulder, like, you're not cold for Jesus there.
What you say?
You're not cold for Jesus?
Cold for Jesus.
And I'm like, what? Like, I don't understand. Like, what me wearing has to do with me coming to... She should have been like, darling, it's good to have you here. Let me know if you have any questions. You know what I mean? As good Christians, I think that you're supposed to spread the word. You are supposed to spread the word and be a little less judgmental. And I find that on a whole in life with social media, we are very, very judgmental. You know what I mean? And I just think that... I don't know where I was going with that.
I was waiting.
I don't know where I was going with that. Sorry. I'll just take a sip.
Wait.
Just pretend I said something
you know
really
what, guys?
profound.
You know what, guys? I'm so happy we started this conversation. There's so much going on in the comments. A lot of it is repeated. You know what, Joe? Maybe we should ask your pastor friend
Pastor Ryan?
Come on.
Oh, I would love that. Ryan
Maybe
would
you
like that,
like
you know.
would you guys like us to have a young hippa pastor on here that we could...
He sings, he will come, and like I remember one morning, and he's
I want to be around a pastor who I think is cool.
He's very cool, and like I'll shoot him my questions, and I try not to be disrespectful around him and him not around me. So if I'm saying something and a bad word comes out, you know, he doesn't say, oh, Jodi. And then I will realize around him. I remember one morning we were playing some heavy dance hall, and I went to Pat and I'm like, hey Pat, I don't feel comfortable, and I'm sure Ryan doesn't feel comfortable. Let's change it to a little soca, and maybe tomorrow when Ryan is working out at a different time, we can play the juke up in a pum pum, all of that. You know what I mean? And I just his whole demeanor and just how he speaks and how he answers my questions, and that he always has time to answer every single one of my questions without being judgmental. Ryan, I appreciate you. Let's have Ryan on the show.
Yeah, let's do it. Actually, we have to do some people. I also wanted to get somebody else on the show who was going to help us to talk about starting small businesses and what we have to do and where we have to go. So we have to really get the YouTube and the Instagram sorted out to have the people, because we can't have it like Dr. Daryl Daly. It was head
and toes. Well, maybe we'll have to figure it out. Oh boy,
I know.
We have a giveaway.
Oh,
We have a giveaway. So if you head on over to the Mecca Jamaica page, if you're a follow on the Mecca Jamaican page, you will see that we have a young author. She was highlighted this week. Only book now? Oh, I need a pen. Oh, ratty. Let me get the pen. Talk about book.
So this book is written by my girlfriend Graci. She is a journalist. She has done, she works in LA. She does red carpets right now. She's worked in the business for a very, very long time. And the book is great. It is for anybody who has to do public speaking. And public speaking could be as simple as, you know, you're going to have to do interviews for your business on the television. Observer is coming and you're gonna have to do an interview. That is public speaking. You always want to put your best foot forward with
if you have a business, because you know with a business you need to do your lives, you need to do your interviews, you need to talk about your products. So if you're going to do any form of public speaking, this is a great book. Okay, now the first question is, name one of the cookies available from SalSweetsJa that was featured today, and just one, and you can win yourself a book. I will mail it to you. Wow. Okay, Noia. Noia. Easy yourself, Noia. I didn't even finish the question. L-I-S.
Noia wants the book up.
Okay. Noia, you got it. Noia, you won yourself a copy of Spotlight on Me. I will link you in your DMs to get your mailing address. Okay, so Noia is the first giveaway. All right, guys.
We have somebody else to feature today on Tuesdays with Tricky.
On where?
Tuesdays with Tricky.
Who's that?
So this is okay.
The baby brain lick you?
So lick me a while ago. This is from LiveEcco, LiveEcco on Instagram, and they do like body butters, lotions. It's a body skin care.
Live or live? Spell it.
Live.
Live.
Okay. I don't know.
Live.
Anyway,
Live.
she came to drop off these things.
That's cute packaging too.
Smell the box.
I don't rub myself in the box.
Yo, I know. The box smells so good.
Oh, we got a box
good.
each.
Yes. So welcome to the Live Simple family. Say goodbye to synthetic.
Family.
What did I say?
Family.
What's happening right now? The one little sip of the juice.
You just be careful.
Say goodbye to synthetic body care. Our products combine all natural Jamaican and ethically sourced ingredients, butters, oils, and botanicals. Our purpose and promise is to provide clean, sustainable, high quality, naturally derived products for which are safe for you and the planet.
Aww, that's a cute little note.
I know. And it's packaged so nicely. And let me tell you something. The box smells so good. Like, I cannot wait.
Get the scissors.
Just open. Jodi can't wait to use it. Oh, I do need the scissors. No. Jodi, I laugh.
That's such a weird laugh. No, my girl, my burst it's already. It took too long.
Okay.
All right. So in the box we have. Oh, no turnover in there, no. Oh, looky. No, nothing was turned over in there.
Oh my
perfectly
gosh,
aligned.
just smell this stuff.
Shower melts. Our aromatherapy steamers infuse the air while you shower with the perfect blend of essential oils to help calm, distress, and energize the body and mind. Okay, great. So when I'm in the
I
shower,
love shower melts.
remember, yeah, but the ones I bought before weren't that great.
I love shower melts.
So I'm really excited to try these.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, peppermint. So this will really energize you while you're showering.
So pretty much a shower melt is that you just put it by the drain and or where the water falls, and then as the hot water lick on it, it steams up and it just aroma. I'm just so excited.
Wow,
for this.
she's likes the shower melts a lot there. This I have opened is Live Simple Body Happiness Whipped Body Butter. This has Jamaica coconut oil, no artificial fragrance, no parabens, no dyes.
This smells so good. No, but seriously, Joe, like this is so. I just love it. This is their refreshing whipped body butter. Oh my
What she means to
God.
say is that this smells very nice.
I just want it everywhere. Oh my God. I just love it. I just love it. Rasta,
She's been dry for the past 10 years.
No man, this smells.
Oh, that's a nice
so-
texture too.
Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this. I'm so excited. What is this? Peppermint all natural soap. Rasta.
So we have a lemongrass soap. Oh, it's a lemongrass. Oh, this isn't.
Oh, we got a peppermint shower melt
This
and a
smells
lavender
so familiar. The hotels in New York.
Oh my God.
Remember that long time ago?
Foreign.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Okay, you guys, I'm not even kidding you. I think
Soothing
this
balm.
is like,
So there's like one small where does the soothing balm go?
you guys, they are at LiveEcco.
All right, let's pin them. Where are they in the comments? Let me pin your comments.
Oh my gosh, you guys have to get onto this stuff. Like, if the world smelled like this, it would be a better place. I
If the
promise
world
you.
smelled like this, it would be a better place.
What is this? This is their lavender soothing balm. Oh my goodness. This is just great stuff.
Okay. Everything today is smelling so good, smelling so good. There are balms for dry hands and baby's bums.
Oh.
Okay.
So the lavender soothing balm.
the soothing balm. Like if you have like okay, you know how the heel back looked like it was like going through the desert.
Yeah.
Put this on your heel back.
So what? But she said something for baby.
So
because Remy, the back of her
arms. Okay, I'm gonna try this on the back of Remy's arm.
What flavor is that she gave you?
This is vanilla.
Oh, I got lavender.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Let me smell that
I
one.
can't have it.
I feel like you're gonna take all of my things anyway. It's so good.
Oh my
It is
God.
really good. The essences are the fragrances are amazing.
And I
Mosquito
love-
bite, skin irritation. Okay, so this can go on the back of Remy's arms. I'm gonna put this over here to bring her home.
And this is a little scrub.
Oh, hold on, we got a whole heap of shower melts.
Yes, it's 2 in each package. We got
Oh, that's
2.
so nice.
I got peppermint and lavender.
Oh gosh, right before bed to use the lavender.
Okay, and these are 2 body scrubs, but you have to keep them in the fridge or keep them somewhere cool.
Oh, see my cosmetic fridge. How
And
come?
I love this because I don't know. She just said keep it in the fridge or somewhere cool. I guess because it's so hot out and it's made from.
It's a sugar scrub bar. Maybe it would melt down.
Just because it's so hot, but your house isn't hot.
So where can we buy these things? Let me go on our page.
So she is located. You have to order right now. She is located on Instagram. And she's also on Carib Shopper.
Oh, you lie, so it can get delivered.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. What's the IG? Live.
LiveEcco.
Huh.
I'm not even lying to you guys.
Oh, her page is nice too.
Yeah, I'm not even
Okay,
lying to
guys.
you.
Okay, this is what we're working with. Look at that.
If you get one thing for yourself from their company though, like you just like, oh, I just want to try one thing, I'm gonna have to say the Live Simple Refreshing Body Butter has to be what you get. No, seriously, Jodi, I just rubbed this all over me. Like,
Yeah, it's hydrating and it gives a nice little shine.
And it's not.
But I honestly, I love a shower melt. So I'm not.
The shower
Just wait,
melts.
just wait. I'm gonna see. Tracy, stretch your legs, please, and thanks. That's a very good idea. Tracy, stretch your legs.
Guess what? So I'm gonna rub up in this, and Scott is gonna get some tonight. Stretching my legs.
Tracy!
Stretching my legs.
The pregnant lady is rubbing up in some nice smelling lotions for her hot backers later. Her page is really nice. We've had 2 amazing presentations, smells, products, and pages. This is really nice.
I know.
Like, I like going through people's pages and it's just like, please, is this... Spice is on our page. I feel away too. Me too. Me too. Manalac 40 is asking what a shower melt is. Okay, a shower melt it's just made up of melt. I think it's baking soda and a little essence is put in there, and you put it in your shower, put your shower on warm, and as the shower water licks the melt, it sends up a whole entire aroma. So you're just bathing and it just smells like, you know what it smells like? You know when you get off the plane and you know you're in foreign because it smells like foreign and you feel good? That's a shower melt. Yeah. You just feel good about it. The lavender one is great. Like if you want to settle down, like I could put this in the shower and have Levi and Remy come on over and you just have a relaxing bath. The peppermint I feel is more for the morning to energize you. Don't stop stealing stuff from me. No, you are Harmony. Ooh, I've tagged them below. You can check out their page. You can order a shower melt and test it out by yourself. You can't lose on a shower melt.
You cannot lose on a shower melt.
And then we just rubbed up some body butter. Has a great consistency. This whipped, no?
I rubbed up the
whipped.
This one is whipped. What flavor is that you have?
Happiness.
What is that though? Oh, let me smell happiness.
It smells like, you know, when you're like really happy.
You guys, if I got this box for my birthday or Mother's Day or whatever, just because you
look
love
at that.
my name.
Right, let's do a shine test. Watch this. All right, so we have dry, crusty hand. All right, and we just rub that in.
So Harmony, this one that I have is a lavender blend, and the happiness is a vanilla blend.
Ingredients. So that's benefits. Ingredients are no dyes, no preservatives, no artificial parabens. Ingredients in
the ingredients in the whipped body butter is mango butter, kokum butter, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, maranta, aduka andanga, which is arrowroot, vitamin E, and essential oils. So this is all really good for you.
LiveEcco, do you ship overseas? Do they ship to Toronto? Toronto, you're not getting no packages right now, you know. So them could have shipped to Toronto a little more. Tracy was trying to ship some stuff off to Canada, and
my thank
you can't send anything to Canada.
No, you can't. Who is that? Who is that?
Oh, Rem is going down for a nap.
Oh, she called out for me. She said,
Mommy. What about London? Toronto, we are working on. You have to see, maybe they'll lift the ban soon.
Well, LiveEcco is here. She's in the DMs and she's answering all the questions. So that is good. Honestly, guys, like, I have said my favorite skincare lines on here before, but right about now, them top the game.
Yeah?
Yeah, for me.
What was you can't mention it now because we're doing this one.
Them top the game for me though. Yeah, they're number one for me right now.
Their products are really good. To me, like, I like how everything smells, but to give an honest opinion, I would have to bathe and my skin be like, I have stuff on me now, but everything smells so amazing. When I put on the whipped butter, it did give a nice shine, it did give moisture. But to me, I can't wait until later. I'm going to put on put the shower melt. I'm going to use my scrub. I have a sugar scrub here. And my soap. I'm going to do everything. And I'm sure once I use everything, you know, I'm going to smell like Love and lavender.
Oh my god, I can't wait for later night.
Please use on damp skin. Yes, because it will help to pull all of the nice moisturizing and hydrating ingredients through to the epidermis.
I can't wait for later night. No, Scott can't wait either.
This is just getting awkward. You're just gonna lather up and lube up yourself.
Then present myself.
Ladies and gentlemen, Stevie's coming soon. Her than we thought.
No, oh my gosh, I prayed this morning when I woke up. I was like, dear Lord, please let this child come soon. Like, I just feel like my body is too little to be carrying right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, now a word from our sponsors. We are going to do another giveaway today. We're going to do another giveaway of Racine's book. Watch Noia, she already typing. We're going to ask a different type of question. Name one of the ingredients that was in the whipped body butter and you can win yourself a Spotlight on Me book. Just type one of the ingredients that Tracy had listed off, and because she never said it properly, you don't need to spell it properly. Are we stuck? What's up? Where's all the writing? Where's all the writing?
Boy, Noia, you stop everybody from writing?
Gabby Booth. Gabby. Gabby has won something before, you know. Not saying that you can't win again, Gabby. Why does your name sound so familiar, Gabby? B-O-T-H-E?
B-O-O-T-H-E.
Yeah.
Gabby _ B-O-O-T-H-E.
Gabby, why does your name sound so familiar?
So, Gabby, you have won your copy of Spotlight on Me by Rea Williams.
Alright, congratulations to Gabby, congratulations to Noia. And stay tuned, guys, we have one more giveaway because we have one more book. And just take your time with me. I'm going to get all of the mail out. We're using snail mail. And I just want to get the pick a pepper out same time too. So, gets to going.
Better new son, need to go on.
Gets to going.
More. Okay, guys.
Are we signing out?
No, we're not signing
No,
out.
we're
We
gonna
still have
ask.
a giveaway to do.
One more giveaway, but what are we gonna talk about?
Where's my board?
Oh, it's over here.
Oh. So anyway. So Scott and I used to go to this salon to get our nails done together, right? But because of the pandemic, we haven't been because the salon hasn't been open. And you know, the thing I liked about that salon is that it was open in the nighttime. So now pandemic is here and Scott, he does this thing in the nighttime. It annoys me. So
I hate when people do like weird noises and stuff.
and he makes that noise and he does it. He's a picker. First of all, he's a picker. He likes to pick. So if he's not picking his nails, he's picking his toenails, he's picking his beard, he's checking his chest. He's a picker. Then he goes into the bathroom and he picks his ingrown hairs out of his beard. Like, he is a picker. So he's lying down. And then I'm like, Scott, can you please stop that? And he's like, well, my nails need to be done. And then I'm like, well, go and get the kits and do them. So he says to me, can you do it for me? I just feel like his foot is so big. It's like this big.
Wow, okay, Trey,
Right?
okay.
And then it's like, just so...
Scott's shoe made a boat for Remy.
It's huge. And I was like... So I must come and like... clip your toenails and file your toes. Like, I don't know. I did it for him one time and I can't manage to do it again.
Okay, hold on, stop a second. Guys, the feed comes up different on different phones. On our phone, Gabby was the first person to come up. I understand on different phones, it comes up differently. We had tried that out 1 week. I was on this phone and two different things came up. My manager was here and it came up different on his phone. Gabby was the very first person to pop up here. We're going to have one more giveaway. And one of the reasons why we stopped doing giveaways for a really long time at one point is because we couldn't deal with all the fighting in the comments over... You know, so please, Gabby won and Noia won. So congratulations to you. We have one more giveaway and it's who pops up first in our feed, okay? Because you have to realize that the algorithm is different on different phones. But anyway, Tracy's going to go back to Scott's huge old foot.
So guys, do you think that I should clip his toenails for him? Like, seriously.
Well, right now you can't even clip your own toenails. I know, he needs to go and get his nails done.
Right?
The thing is that most guys wear socks every day. And if you are wearing socks every day, the amount of cheese that build up in those corners, I am not prepared to deal with that.
Like, I agree with, like, you want your man to treat you like a queen, treat your man like a king. I agree with it. But I don't even deal with my own toes. Ew. What do you think?
I used to cut Sean's toenails when we were just trying to go out and I was looking the ring. But now that I have this, me not clip nobody toenail but my son them. So this is my look today. I'm wearing a casual Graci Noir tracksuit that Spice Official sent for me, my bestie.
I'm still looking at the answers. So far, they're equal with yes and no's.
And I have on my...
Renee West says, not right now. I mustn't clip his nails right now. Hey, Rennie says that. Rennie West.
Nice quality, velour. And then I paired it with a pair of white sneakers with gems on the side. See, I'm cute and I'm cute.
Pay for a pedi for him. Yeah. I know. I think I'm just going to do like a day with the both of us at the spa again. Because he likes going to the salon, you know, but he likes going with me, you know.
Hoodie.
I don't know what you're doing over there.
It's a lot of hair, eh?
Yeah, but that is a really cute little outfit though, Joe.
Like, I really do feel very airporty. Ticket. Hi. Went to America.
Well, we've had a day of airportness today, eh?
Yes, like sweet smells, foreignness.
Yeah. Today's been a good day for foreign.
And nobody don't frighten for foreign more than me and you, you know.
No, girl.
She's Tracy and I, like, as soon as we step out the plane, we're like this.
And then we're like, okay, we have to go and get something nice. And then there's always a day that we dress up and go to that very expensive mall. We don't buy anything, but we just sit down.
We don't buy anything. Yeah, we just sit down and eat because we're like, yo, you want to go to Merrick Mall today?
And then we
dress up, you know, makeup and the most.
And
sometimes if we have like old shopping bags, but from fancy stores, we'll like take them and be like, oh, hi, we'll go to the restaurant and we sit down and
the calamari and we'll order one drink because that's all we can afford.
I'll find money for 2 drinks still. But it's a part, like, you have to have like an experience in foreign, you know, like, you know, it can't just be, well, it can be shop, but now that we are a little older,
we also have to have a mall day where we're not shopping. It's just an Auntie Annie's and like Cinnabon day.
And bourbon chicken. Oh man,
I cannot
what's the name of the place that we like? Mr. Kelly's Cajun Grill.
I cannot believe Stevie is not going to experience foreign until she's like 1.5, 2.
You don't know that.
There's no appointments at the place to get a visa for her, Jodi, until
I'll
April
put her in my
2020.
bag. I'm having a great time today with my lady Bee Mixology. And look at that label. Do you see that label? Who noticed something different about it? Actually, that should have been the 3rd question. A fool. Sure. Alright, so I'm drinking pineapple, basil, and kiwi with white rum. Woo.
Lady Bee's labels are so nice, so.
You don't notice this label is different?
I did think that something was different, but I wasn't sure.
This one looks more like arriba, like more fun, like we're having fun, you know? Fun, you know? Fun.
It's just Nat said she's going to eat a bourbon chicken for us today. Nat, gosh. You're a real good girl, you know.
Extra gravy on the rice and plantains. Yeah. Get your plantains. Okay. Alright guys, we're going to wrap today, but we're going to wrap with one more. Somebody's saying, Tracy, summer is in the air. Lady Bee Mixology. Man.
Oh, somebody's asking me what I said about the embassy. So what I'm saying is that Stevie is going to be born in Jamaica with a Jamaican passport. So if I want to travel to America with her to go and get all the nice things that we've been talking about and go to Target, I'll have to get a visa for Stevie. And guess what? When my girlfriend called to get a visa for her child, who is just born, there are no available visa appointments at the U.S. Embassy for first-time visa applicants. There's no available appointments till April 2022. So if you already have a visa, you can renew it and you'll probably get it within a week. But for first-time applicant, there's no appointments till April 2022.
Alright, so here's what we're going to do. I'll hook you up. Sean is going to apply for Stevie on his work permit. Because she can work for him as something. Something.
Please help us. What will Stevie be working for Sean as? Please help us.
Cutie patootie.
As a cutie patootie.
As a cutie patootie. Don't worry. There's all these offices all over the place that like want to charge you money for like visa appointments and stuff like that. Girl, you're alright, man. Sean, I'll go hook you up. Alright guys, we have one more giveaway, but we're going to make the question really, really hard this time because I'm so sick and tired of these easy questions. The Sean Paul clap up. Jodi, that's an excellent idea. That's an excellent
The
idea.
rattle shaker.
You know what? As a matter of fact, today we're gonna give this book to Jodi because Jodi has been. I don't think you guys
agree.
understand. We're gonna give this book to Jodi. Jodi, congratulations! This book is for you.
Jodi has been a
down ass bitch from day one. She's the first to check in on YouTube. She's the first to check in on IG every week. She always has a nice positive comment to say, and I just really appreciate you, Jodi. We really appreciate you. So we'll be sending you your book, Spotlight on Me. She's laughing.
She's laughing with happiness, like overjoyed. She can't believe this is happening to her.
Cole's going to take it back.
No.
Don't take it back? I take it back, you know.
She's my thugs.
She's your thugs?
Yeah. My day one. Jodi's always there for us.
So congratulations, Jodi. Alright guys, so somebody says that true. It's true, Jodi's always here.
Always
Jodi cussed me
there.
off on me late. Jodi cussed me off on me early. Big up to Jodi. Did you just fart?
No, I did this on.
Oh, okay. Alright. Alright guys, so thank you all so much for joining us. Big up to our winners, Noya, Gabby, and Jodi. They've won yourself a copy of the Spotlight on Me thanks to Graci Williams. You can find out more information on the book and the author over on the Mecca Jamaica page. Also, we had featured her 1 week. She had a little thing going on with another influencer who was trying to plagiarize her work. Please make sure you go and give her what do you need? A follow. Give her a follow.
You guys, we want to thank Sal's Sweets today for coming through. Oh my
Tracy
God.
has been eating the balls. They're almost done.
I just drooled on myself. I said Sal's Sweets and I
She
drooled.
Big up to Sal Sweets. We're now going to head downstairs. Remy's now sleeping, but I know I'm going to save the little chai cookies for Remy. I know she will like the what do you call it? The shortbread. And thank you so much to LiveEcco, right? Their Instagram. Oh, they're actually tagged below. LIVE. But Live is also Live is LIVE.
Well, let me tell you something. Just log on and buy one of their things. This is his best smelling. LiveEcco. Like smell me.
They smell great. Like I can't wait to bathe later and then fully immerse myself in LiveEcco.
Yeah.
LiveEcco.
But live simple.
Live simple with LiveEcco.
Ay.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
So I want to thank them as well for coming on. DM them, log on to their Instagram and DM them to place your orders.
All of our people today
also
have amazing pages too, because Racing's page is nice as well.
Yeah, guys, check that out. If you want to come on the show, please check that out. Drop a message to me in my DMs if you want to be on the show, so that we can arrange something coming up for you. And Miss Kitty Patua says she loves us.
I love you too. It's echo and not eco. We need to alright,
I know.
send Jodi a send a let's DM actually when they're on the live. LiveEcco.
Eco. Live.
Eco. It doesn't matter how it's spelled, you're just gonna smell good.
It's true.
Do you wanna know how to smell or do you wanna know how to spell?
Do you want to smell good or do you want to
smell good?
Nobody cares about spelling anymore.
Well, you have spell check, but you don't have say check. I didn't get a say check.
The correct saying is...
Echo.
Oh, God.
LiveEcco.
Oh God, I can't eat.
Live your life eco-friendly. Live your life eco-friendly. Oh, you're coming. Wait, it smell good. See, it's all about smelling good. They say we understand. Eh, who fool are we?
Not much people. Shay the other day says, "Are you sure that venison is baby calf or is it a baby cow?" She said that. I was like, Shay, you're going to have to sit in the corner for a very long time.
She says foolish things all the time. I love her. I have to be like, Shay, go and think about that and come back.
But I love her because, you know, I usually do at one so when she's around.
I know we look so smart. We'll have to be like, Shay, that was really stupid. Yo, I'm glad she asked first. You know? Alright guys, thank you so much for joining us. We'll catch you next week Tuesday at 1:30 for another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of everything and all the people we can't spell. Yeah. Bye.
Bye, everyone.